Architect Don Dino, Junior Hotep Bat, and Councilor Paul Emer Policarpio of the Tipuan. Let's have photo op. Kindly get one shovel for the photo op, and let's wait for the photographers for the queue for the tree planting. Let's have one shovel and hard hat, and then let's have photo op. Today we are embarking on a tree planting endeavor to introduce two distinct varieties of native trees to the environment of El Sitio de Tito. The Salinggogon tree, also known as the Sharia contorta, and commonly known as the cherry blossom of the Philippines, a majestic species native in Tibet, celebrated for its impressive stature and robust qualities. Its towering height and sturdy hunk symbolizes resilience and strength, making it a fitting choice for El Sitio Nativo. The other tree, the Salinggogon tree, scientifically known as Syzygium polycephaloides, is a splendid native species found in the Philippines, renowned for its graceful appearance and ecological importance. Its name, derived from its round fruit resembling marbles, invokes a sense of whimsy and charm. At full bloom, its lush foliage and delicate flowers adds a touch of natural beauty to any landscape.
Salinggogon.
Salinggogon, Salimbubog.
Salimbubog.
Nasaan yung salimbubog?
Ano sa kabila?
Salinggogon po.
Ayun yung kabila.
Naka-ano yan? Facebook.
Yung salimbubog.
Hindi. Naka-record lang. Dala.
Among thousands of native flowers.
Ano na eh, tabunan natin. Pwede ko tabunan to.
Hindi, icing ko lang. Hindi icing.
Itong puno na to, patay na to. Oo, patay na yan, patay na. Si mayroong telescope. Ito, ting papatay.
Mukhang tinira na nila eh.
Or baka season na walang lim, parang sinigwera.
Iya, parang gano'n siguro.
Saan papatay?
Ang gabay yan.
Paano